What is up, guys? My name is Jake, and welcome to a brand new episode of The Theme Park Shark. Today we're going to be talking about Halloween Horror Nights 2019 at Universal Studios Hollywood in Los Angeles, California. So, let's jump right in.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are about to enter a world of darkness. A world where life and death are meaningless.
Halloween Horror Nights 2019 at Universal Studios Hollywood will run from September 13th, which is Friday the 13th, by the way, all the way up until November 3rd. They'll also be hosting a fan preview night on September 12th from 7 p.m. through 1 a.m. So let's jump right into the houses. This year in Hollywood, they have 10 haunted houses, which is a lot of haunted houses. Now they're changing it up this year by bringing 2 all-new customly built original houses to the event. Let's start off with these headliner IP houses. Up first will be Stranger Things. Now, with this house, you're going to experience the most terrifying moments of Seasons 2 and Season 3. You're going to come face to face with the shadowy Mind Flayer and its army of creatures that wreak havoc all over Hawkins. Also, with the headliner IPs, we're going to have Us. Now, this nightmare will come to life as you follow in the footsteps of the Wilson family and you face the ultimate opponent themselves. Another headliner haunted house for Universal Studios Hollywood will be Ghostbusters. Now, just before we jump into the Ghostbusters haunted house, I need to show some love for this awesome piece of merchandise that I picked up at Universal Studios Florida the other day in their Halloween Horror Nights gift shop. It's a VHS tape, but you open it up, and it's filled with Ghostbuster socks. Anyway, besides that, Ghostbusters coming to Halloween Horror Nights 2019 at Universal Studios Hollywood, and you're going to walk through the most iconic scenes of the first movie, and all the iconic characters are going to be brought to life. Also, they have Frankenstein meets the Wolfman, so you're going to have some classic Universal monsters this year at Halloween Horror Nights Hollywood. We also have Killer Klowns from Outer Space. This was a hit scare zone at Universal Orlando's Halloween Horror Nights last year, HHN 28. So they're expanding it this year by bringing Killer Klowns to Hollywood and Orlando in the form of haunted houses. So you're going to go straight into the clown circus tent of this cult classic, really cult classic film. And you're going to see the cotton candy cocoons with human bodies in them. You're going to see Clownzilla. This house is going to be awesome. I'm really excited for this one. Another haunted house will be Creepshow. Experience a horror comic book come to life. Now, this is based off of a very old 1982 series, and they say you will, quote, have the most fun you will ever have while being scared. This one looks pretty interesting if I were to say so myself. Yeah, we have Rob Zombie's House of 1,000 Corpses.
World of darkness. A world where life and death are meaningless.
I'm excited for this one. This is actually one of my most anticipated houses this year. Following that, we have 2 original houses. First one will be The Curse of Pandoras Box. And what's happening here is that someone opened Pandora's Box, letting out all of these evil spirits. Now there's no way of putting them back in, so you're going to go through this house, and the demonic temptress Pandora will be your guide. Up next, we have Holidayz, Holidayz with a Z, Holidayz in Hell. Hollywood really likes to put some interesting things in their house names and their scare zone names. So we have Holidayz in Hell. This is another original house. This one, they're going to be bringing all these seasonal holidays to life, like 4th of July, Christmas, Easter, and they're going to be making a haunted house out of this. So this one should be a fun, probably a little bit funny, yet still scary haunted house. Now, the 10th haunted house this year at Halloween Horror Nights Hollywood will be the Walking Dead attraction. They're going to be adding extra scare actors to it to make it extra scary compared to how it normally is. Halloween Horror Nights Hollywood will have 5 scare zones this year. The first one is Fallen Angels. Angels with a Z. Just like the Holidayz. Anyway, the scare zone will be on the Main Street area of the park, and you're going to come face to face with ghouls and angry skeletons that have taken over. Up next is Spirits and Demons of the East. This will be taken over New York Street at Universal Studios Hollywood. Now, here's a description of the scare zone. Sacred antiques have just been shipped over from the Far East, and they didn't come alone. Many of these artifacts were stolen from ancient temples and carry angry spirits with them. Now, the spirits roam New York Street, looking to get vengeance on anyone who would dare to steal such sacred relics. Up next is Christmas in Hell. The scare zone will be on French Street on the upper lot, and you're going to be coming face to face with all of these scary Christmas characters such as the Winter Witch and Jack Frost. And beware of the New Year's baby, because apparently he's pretty cranky. Now on to the TOXXIC Tunnel on the back lot. TOXXIC Tunnel, not just regular toxic, 3 X's. So if you want to get down to the lot to experience these mazes, you're going to have to go through this tunnel. And this time, the warped and cartoonish members of a demonic custom car club have taken over. They don't plan on letting you get very far on foot. There's also one more scare zone here at Halloween Horror Nights in Hollywood. It's called All Hallows Evil. And this one is kind of like themed to various religious holidays like All Souls Day, All Saints Day, and Mexico's Dia de Muertos. Halloween Horror Nights in Hollywood has one show, and it is the Jabbawockeez, and they'll be taking over the special effects stage theater. And this is like a high energy dance show. It looks pretty cool. I've never seen it myself, but lots of people love it. It's a fan favorite. Now that is all I have for you guys about Halloween Horror Nights 2019 at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thank you guys for watching. We hope to catch you next time here on The Theme Park Shark.